Hello and welcome to the Divine Tales. Dreaming is a very normal thing. Almost all of us have dreams about different things. Some people constantly get dreams. It's believed that there are three types of people who get loads of dreams. One is those who are very sick, the other, those whose palm lines are very skewed, or those who have too many lines in their palms. And the third type is those who think too much. The ones who overthink get hurt very quickly. They are believed to be very emotional. Also, people who are very sentimental and have pure heart too gets loads of dreams, it is believed. Now, the question that arises is, which dreams come true? If we divide the night into three parts, the dream that comes between 10 pm and 12 am has no meaning, it is believed, because at this time we are at the first stage of REM. It is possible that the dream related to the work that you have done just before sleeping or during the day may come. But the dream that occurs between 12 am and 3 am are the ones that hint at something. While dreaming some dreams, we feel very strange or disturbed in our sleep, and it is believed that the dream seen between this time is very likely to be fulfilled. It is an hint of what is going to be happening further. Another belief regarding dreams occurring at this time is that the same or some similar event is happening somewhere around you or with your near and dear ones. It is believed that if you're dreaming a dream at sunrise, then there is a high probability of the dream getting fulfilled on the same day. So, we saw that how the timing of our dream has an effect on our lives. Most people always have a question that whose dreams come true. So here again, it is believed that whose heart is pure, one who does not have deceit or hatred in their heart for anyone, and the one who worships with a very sincere heart, and also the one who understands the suffering of others, the dreams of such people often turn true. Such people see many events that are going to happen in future in their dreams. For example, King Shuddhodhan was the father of Gautam Buddha and the king of Shakya dynasty. Once he had 7 scenes in the dream which were related to the life of Prince Siddhartha, that is Gautam Buddha. From the dream itself, he got the hint that his son would become a very great monk and would be famous all over the world. The king tried hard to prevent this from happening, but he was unsuccessful. So, these are the beliefs and theories that revolve around dreams. Now, let's talk about what it means if you see gods or goddesses in a dream. As we discussed that according to some dream theories, dreams have special importance. Somewhere, these dreams hint about our future. Similarly, when we see gods and goddesses in our dreams, it must have some meaning. Dreams of God or goddesses often come only when we are of a religious kind, or if we have devotional feelings but are not able to offer prayers due to some reason. Also, it is said such dreams occur if we have some wish to visit some pilgrimage place but are not able to do so. Now, let us know what it means to see various gods in a dream. Lord Vishnu. It is believed that if we see Lord Vishnu in our dreams, then it means that our destiny is going to change. All the problems in life are going to be eradicated soon. Seeing Lord Vishnu in a dream is a sign of happiness and prosperity. Lakshmi Ji. It is a very auspicious thing to see Goddess Lakshmi in our dream, it is believed. It is a symbol of prestige, money, gain, happiness and prosperity. Also, you are going to get benefit in business. Lord Ram. The appearance of Lord Ram in a dream is a sign of any major breakthrough that is going to be achieved in the future. Goddess Sita. If you have seen Goddess Sita in your dream, it means that you're going to get success in the work for which you were struggling for a long time. Lord Krishna. To see Lord Krishna in your dream means that your love relationships are moving towards success. Radha. If Radha has come in your dream, then understand that there is going to be joy in your life. Lord Shiva. If Shiva appeared in your dream, it means that you're progressing on the path of devotion. There is also a sign of destruction of sins and plagues in life. Lord Hanuman. If Lord Hanuman has ever come in your dream, then understand that you're conquering fear. Also, it is an indicator of the destruction of enemies. Goddess Durga. Mother Durga's arrival in the dream is a symbol of power. At the same time, the dream of Mother Durga is also indicative of the destruction of diseases. Lord Brahma. The dream of Lord Brahma means that the arrival of happiness in your life is certain. Lord Ganesha. Ganesha's dream is an indication that all the stalled tasks in your life are going to be completed soon. Goddess Saraswati. To see Goddess Saraswati in a dream means that you're going to achieve success soon in the field of education. Yamraj. The appearance of Yamraj in the dream symbolizes your long life. So, what do you think about today's video? Do you believe in such things? Have you got some dream which has turned out to be true in your life? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked our today's video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel The Divine Tales English for more such videos. Also, do visit our Facebook page for more divine related content. We will soon be back with another video. Until then, take care and be happy.